A Discover credit card may be declined for several reasons. One common reason is that the cardholder has reached their credit limit. When spending exceeds the credit limit, the card will be declined. To resolve this issue, making a payment to increase the available credit is necessary. However, it's essential to note that spending too close to the credit limit can negatively impact one's credit score. To avoid this, setting a balance or spending alert can help warn the cardholder when they reach a preset amount, allowing them to manage their card and maintain a low utilization ratio. Another reason for a declined transaction may be suspicious spending habits. The credit card company monitors spending patterns and will decline transactions that deviate significantly from these patterns. In such cases, contacting customer support to verify the transaction is necessary. Traveling without notifying the credit card company can also lead to declined transactions. To prevent this, it's crucial to notify the company of travel plans, as purchases made during the trip may be declined due to suspected fraudulent activity. Setting a travel alert can be done by logging in to the company's website, selecting the card to be used during the trip, and registering the travel dates and destination. By taking these steps, cardholders can help prevent declined transactions and ensure a smoother experience when using their Discover credit card.